everyone, it's Mrs. Carly. So we're going to do a quick review of all the letter sounds we've learned so far, and we're going to look at some words that we can make using those letter sounds. I'm going to do my best just to get the certain letters that I want in there. So the first week we learned ah, ah. The next week we learned t, t. So that whenever we put those two letters together, we got at. The word we learned was at. Then we learned s. The letter S says s. Whenever we put all three of those together, yep, I'm getting there, we got sat. The word sat. Now this week, we added the G sound made by the letter G. And then things got really, really crazy because we had this word, sag. Sag. The word is sag. I told kids that the best way for me to explain it was that whenever I get really tired, sometimes I sag. And I explained a bag that sags or clothing that sags because I was wearing a really loose, comfy jumper one day or jumpsuit one day. And so they looked at that and I said, see, my jumpsuit sags. So that was a good way to explain it. Then we had the word ag. Now, parents, be careful with this one because a lot of times your child will hear you put all those three sounds together, ag, and say that you're saying the word ag. So you have to remind them to put the t on the front. And to help them with that, you're going to say tag, tag. And you're going to really emphasize how the t and the ah squish together there. Tag. So that they can hear the word tag. And then the final word we learned that we could do for this week, and again, parents, be careful. You want them to hear those first two sounds together, especially to make the word gas. Gas. And I explained to them that we have to put gas in our cars to make them go. So next week we will add another letter and then things get really wild. So these are the first 5 words we can make using those first 4 sounds that we've learned. You guys have learned so much. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye-bye.